So I decided to buy myself a little something. I like the Little Shop Got Wax and Raw Element. They're actually both by the same designer. And I thought that I would get myself a little something because I love charms and all of that. And it's been a long while since I did a little unboxing for you guys, or unbagging. I mean, as far as something that I got for myself, I have to admit, she packages very well. Let's see what we have inside. Yay! Okay, nothing on this side. All right. Yay! Just got a couple of things. Very nicely packaged. Very safe. It arrived very safely. Be careful when you're handling sharp objects, just saying. Look! Isn't it cute? I got some washi too. Oh my goodness, look at this hollow. Look, I'm doing the whole influencer hand thing. Oh, this washi is so gorgeous. I love the hollow and I love the design. Needed not that I needed, but I wanted something a little special. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I did purchase this with my own money, so that way, you know, I do have a code for the people, the squad that follow me, which is going to be Amanda15 if you want to save 15% off at gothandpaper.com, which is also Got Wax Paper Shop. But I got a new little acrylic charm. I just think it's absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this. What did she do? What did she do? Look! A little freebie. You're somebody special. She does tend to do this if you do purchase. She ends up giving like little freebies, and I think that's so cool. Cool, you got My Chemical Romance. Nice, Fall Out Boy. That is super cute, Pool Boy. This little charm though. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it. Yay!